What up, what up, what up, what up, what go on, my people? Welcome back. You don't know it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe. Yes, guys, today I'll be preparing for you some brown stew goat meat. Yes, I'll be doing some brown stew goat. We Jamaicans, lots of Jamaicans, we love our curry goat, but I'm telling you, this brown stew goat, if you're not feeling the curry, this is the goat recipe for you. So without no time, let's get right into it. Right? So here I have some chopped garlic. You can mince your own garlic. I'm using 1 tablespoon of this chopped garlic to put on my goat meat, and I have washed my goat meat. I have 3.5 pounds of goat meat here, nicely washed with vinegar and lime. And here I am going to put 1 tablespoon of my marinade. I'm going to leave a link to this marinade for you. It is spicy, so you don't want to use more than 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And in here I have some garlic salt and onion powder. So I'm just gonna add about 1/2 tablespoon of garlic salt and onion powder. Here I'm going to add some chicken seasoning and same 1/2 tablespoon. I'm going to add about the same amount of paprika and some Cajun seasoning. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm going to add some browning, and I'm adding, let me measure this for you. So that's 1 tablespoon. So let's go in with 2 tablespoons of browning, and we're just gonna combine everything together. This jerk marinade, guys, you don't need a lot, as I said, but it has a lot of herbs in there. Lots of herbs and goodness, so you don't need a lot of herb if you're using this jerk marinade. Okay, so we're gonna combine everything together nicely, so it's looking nice and lovely, as you can see, guys. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cover this with a cling wrap, and I'm going to put this in the fridge and leave it overnight because I'm preparing this tomorrow for Sunday dinner. It is Saturday. Okay, nice and ready for the fridge. See you tomorrow. Okay, my people, so it's the next day, and we are going to put this lovely goat meat in our instant pot to pressure cook for 1/2 hour. And I am also going to add 1 onion, a piece of hot pepper, some fresh thyme, and some ginger in this to pressure cook it. So let's go and put it in our pressure pot. Okay, so here we have it in our pressure pot, and we are going to pressure cook this for 1/2 hour, and then we're going to come back and finish up. Okay, so as you can see, it's been 1/2 hour and our goat is ready. So what we're going to do now, we're going to transfer this to a pot, and we're going to finish off on the stove. Okay, so now it's time to top up our goat. So here I have 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. So I'm just gonna add that just to top up our pot. And here I have some green, red, and yellow bell peppers, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and some fresh thyme. And you can always allow this to boil down just a little bit, and then you taste it, and if it needs some salt, you can add some salt. Before we leave this to boil down, I'm going to add some ketchup, about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This will give it a nice taste. Okay, And the brown sugar is optional, but guys, trust me, it makes a big difference. So now we're going to cover down our pot and allow the gravy to reduce. Oh my, look at this, guys. Our goat meat is ready. It is looking absolutely amazing. This is a must try. Must try. Look at that gravy. Look at that. Nice, thick, rich. The meat is tender and delicious. Look at that. Fall off the bone. Look at that. See that? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so try out this recipe. Leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this recipe. Leave me a comment. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Please show me some love. Love up my channel, guys. Until next time, stay safe. Thank you for your support and God bless you all.